I'm here celebrating all the cars that I wanted as a kid and couldn't actually afford. And I've agreed to do this because somebody said, okay, if you agree to come, we'll give you a go in a Ford Mexico, which I've never had a go in before. And I came from Radio 2, driving the Ford Mexico gloriously, victoriously through the London traffic. Everybody was letting me in, wasn't even asking, go ahead, we love that car. Drove over Tower Bridge, screamed in here, parked up. I smell of cars. I'm a happy boy. This is so funny. I got a buzz this morning because I was asked to park a car. This new Ford thing, you can have a parking kit put on your car for 500 quid, which parks your car for you. Now, I thought it was a gag. I thought you were going to get me to crash into some cars. But no, you put it into auto parking mode, you take your hands off the steering wheel, you're still in charge of the clutch and the accelerator, and the car parks itself. Don't touch the steering wheel! Don't even look at the steering wheel! 500 quid for that! Come on! It's got to be worth it! And it's all a bit strange. And you can wave to your friends.